Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Now we move to another important legal case that has attracted public attention across the country. This case involves a police officer who is accused of assaulting a teenager in Juba. Many people have been waiting to hear the court decision. However, the expected judgment was not delivered as planned. Let's take a closer look at what happened. Before we proceed, please, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, make sure you have the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. On Friday, the Emergency Special Court for Organized Force held another session in Juba. Many people expected the judges to announce their final decision in the case against Police Captain Richard Ray Cole. The courtroom was ready and members of the public were waiting for the ruling. Instead of delivering the judgment, the court announced that the decision would be delayed. The judges explained that they need more time because of administrative matters. As a result, no verdict was announced during Friday's session. The case will now continue on another date. During the short course session, one of the judges explained why the ruling could not be delivered. He said that the delay was not caused by new evidence or new witnesses. Instead, the court needed additional time to complete internal administrative procedures before announcing its final decision. The judge apologized for the delay. He acknowledged that many people had expected to hear the judgment on Friday. He then announced that the court would issue its decision on Tuesday, July 21st at 10 o'clock in the morning. This means both the accused officer and the people following the case will have to wait a few more days before learning the outcome. Let's look at how the case began. This case started after an incident that happened in Juba earlier this year. According to the prosecution, Police Captain Richard Ray Cole was involved in an incident where a teenager was physically assaulted by him. The event took place in the high cinema area of Juba. A video recorded during the incident quickly spread across social media. Many people watched the footage. The video appeared to show the officer repeatedly beating the young man with a heavy stick. As more people shared the video online, public concern grew. Many citizens questioned whether the force used by the officer was lawful. The incident, while others called for an investigation and demanded accountability. The incident soon became one of the most discussed topics on social media in South Sudan. After the video became public, many South Sudanese expressed their opinion. Some people said law enforcement officers have an important responsibility to protect citizens. They argue that officers should use force only when necessary and only within the limit of the law. Others say that every person deserves to be treated with dignity regardless of the situation. Many community members also emphasize that young people should be protected from unnecessary violence. Civil society organizations and members of the public closely followed the case from the beginning. For many observers, the trial became more than a case involving one police officer. It also became a discussion about accountability, professionalism, and public trust in the country's security institutions. During hearing, prosecutors presented the evidence they believe supported their case. One of the most important pieces of evidence was the video recording that circulated on social media. The prosecution also called witnesses to explain what they saw during the incident. According to the prosecution, the evidence showed that the officer used excessive force against the teenager. They argue that the action seen in the video should be examined carefully by the court. The prosecution asked the judges to consider all the available evidence before reaching their final decision. Their goal was to show that the law had been broken and that accountability should follow if the evidence prove the allegation. The defense team strongly disagree with the prosecution position. The lawyers representing Captain Ray argued that the prosecution had not provided enough legal ground to support the charges. They question whether the case had been properly handled from the beginning. The defense also challenged part of the legal process. According to the defense lawyer, the prosecution failed to establish a sufficient legal base for the accusation. Because of this, they asked the court to dismiss the case. The judges listened carefully to both sides before reserving their final decision. Before Friday's session, the court had already completed an important stage of the trial. Both the prosecution and the defense had finished presenting their argument. Witnesses had testified, evidence had been examined, lawyer had made their final submission. The judges then took time to study the case before preparing their judgment. That is why many people expected Friday to be the final day of the trial. However, because of the administrative delay, the court could not announce its decision. Instead, everyone must now wait until the new hearing date. The trial has become one of the most closely watched legal cases involving a member of the organized force. Many people believe the outcome could influence public confidence in the justice system. When allegations involve members of the police or other security service, citizens often pay close attention to how the court handles such cases. Some people hope the court will demonstrate that everyone is equal before the law. Others believe that every accused person should receive a fair trial without outside pressure. These two principles are both important. Justice requires fairness for victims as well as fairness for those facing accusation. The responsibility of the court is to carefully examine the evidence before reaching any conclusion. Well, it is important to remember that a court does not decide a case based on public opinion alone. Judges are expected to examine the law, review the evidence, listen to witnesses, and consider the argument presented by both the prosecution and the defense. Only after completing that process can they issue a judgment. This protects the right of everyone involved. Even when a case receives wide public attention, the court must remain independent. The judges are expected to make their decision according to the law rather than public emotion. That principle helps strengthen confidence in the justice system. Well, the next hearing is now scheduled for Tuesday morning. On that day, the judges are expected to return to court and announce whether Captain Richard Ray Cole will be found guilty or not guilty based on the evidence presented during the trial. Until the judgment is delivered, no final legal conclusion has been reached. The accused officers continue to have the right to the legal process. Likewise, the public continues to wait for the court decision. Whatever the outcome, many people hope the judgment will help strengthen respect for justice, accountability, and the rule of law in South Sudan. Cases involving public officials often receive special attention because those officials are trusted with protecting the public. Citizens expect members of the organized force to perform their duties professionally and responsibly. At the same time, members of the organized force also deserve fair legal treatment whenever allegations are made against them. A fair justice system protects everyone. It protects victims by investigating complaints seriously. It also protects accused persons by ensuring they are judged only after careful examination of the evidence. That balance is one of the foundation of the rule of law. Well, if you are new here to Changfied YouTube channel and this is your first time, please, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next video.